All right, so when I went to catch Valhalla, she wasn't sure about being caught. So at first I just petted her. There's no rush, guys, have fun with this. And then when I went to lead her, she says, I don't think, not today. So what I did, I would ask her to walk, and when she didn't, I would swing this rope, okay? So at first I would swing it a couple times, and then I would whack her with the rope, and if she just took one step, I would stop. But what happened is just from the short little walk from over here to in the pasture, or the round pen, all I would have to do is raise my arm. So I asked her to walk, she doesn't go. Okay, so it takes a little walk. Now she stops. Now see, with just raising my arm, she would start forward movement again. So then I wouldn't do anything more because I already got the forward movement. So that's a way to help get your donkeys to lead. Okay, so you start off swinging, and when they don't go, then you'll go ahead and hit them with it. But we're not gonna hit them with it right away. We're always gonna offer them a good deal. We're gonna ask before we do anything more. We should build a lead from both sides. Okay, so if she stops, are you gonna stop? Okay, you see how just lifting it, she started her forward movement? So that's a way to lead when your donkeys don't want to cooperate that day or because they don't know yet.